Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change Gmail from personal to business. Turning your Gmail account from personal to business is easier than you think. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This method works best here. At the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon, select Account. Once you're in, navigate to the People and Sharing section. Scroll down until you see Business Features, and from there, simply toggle Business Personalization on. After doing that, wait for a confirmation email from Google sent directly to your Gmail account. Once confirmed, your account should now display a business Gmail. Alternatively, you can also add your business account directly through the Gmail website or app, or even link your business and products to Google to maximize visibility. It's a quick process that helps you make your Gmail more professional and ready for business use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.